Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today I have a question x raised to the power 12 plus x raised to the power 8 which is equal to 80. And from this given equation we will find the value of x. So from the given equation we can write x raised to the power 12 as x raised to the power 4 into 3 because 4 into 3 will be equal to 12. And from here it will become x raised to the power 4 square because 4 2 times 8 which is equal to 80. Now you can see that here x raised to the power 4 and x raised to the power 4 are same. So we will suppose that x raised to the power 4 is equal to t. So above equation will become t cube plus t square which is equal to 80. So it can be written as t cube plus t square minus 80 which is equal to 0. Now it can be written as t cube plus t square and negative 80 can be written as negative 64 and negative 16 which is equal to 0. Negative 64 and negative 16 is same as negative 80. So we will rearrange this equation which is t cube minus 64 and t square minus 16 which is equal to 0. So it will become t cube minus 64 can be written as 4 cube plus t square and 16 can be written as 4 square which is equal to 0. Now it is the form of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, where a is equal to t and b is equal to 4. So it will become t minus 4 and a square means t square plus ab means t and 4t and b square means 4 square which is 16. And here it is the form of a square minus b square which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So it will become t plus 4, t minus 4 and this whole equation is equal to 0. Now from these two terms we have t minus 4 is common. So we will take t minus 4 common and we have remaining when we will divide this to this, so it will become t square plus 4t plus 16 and when divided by this, so it will become plus t plus 4 which is equal to 0. So it will become t minus 4 and t square and this 4t and t will become 5t and this 16 and 4 will become 20 which is equal to 0. So from here we have two cases that t minus 4 is equal to 0 and t square plus 5t plus 20 is equal to 0. From here we have t is equal to 4 and from this case we will apply here discriminant formula which is equal to b square minus 4ac which is equal to 5 squares which is 25 minus 4 into 1 into 20. So it will become 25 minus 80 which is equal to negative 55 and it is less than 0, so it's mean it has no real solution. So the real solution is t is equal to 4, but t is equal to x raised to the power 4. So it will become x raised to the power 4 is equal to 4. So we will take 4th root on both sides. So it will be cancelled out. The value of x is 4th root of square root of 4. Now we will check that this value of x satisfy our given equation or not. So to check, for x is equal to 4th root of 4, so it will become 4th root of 4 means 4 raised to the power 1 divided by 4, and its whole power is 12, plus again 4th root of 4 means 4 raised to the power 1 divided by 4, and its whole power 8, which is equal to 80. So it will become 4 1 time 4, 4 3 time 12, 4 cube, and it will become 4 1 time 4, 4 2 time 8, so it will become 4 square, which is equal to 80. And 4 cube is equal to 64, plus 4 square is 16, which is equal to 80. So 80 is equal to 80. Both sides are equal. It's mean the value of x, which is 4th root of 4, satisfy our given equation. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.